We're reviewing what we've done on our channel since we started it back in 2017. We're going to share some of the comments that have been made by yourselves and others too. We're going to say a few thank yous and give an insight into the analytics of the channel. The first comment left on our channel was by a good friend of ours here at the Lovespoon Workshop from Dubbin Timber Products, Mr. Ross Davis. And his comment was, great video, very interesting indeed. Great little start for ourselves. It does go a little bit downhill from there, unfortunately. The next comment that took our attention was from James. And this is where things start to take a turn for the worse. But we always learn as we're going along. And James said, please can you turn down the volume on the intro and exit music? Very annoying, thanks. There we are. Well, yeah, we took it on board, James, and we got rid of the intro and outro altogether. The next couple of comments are from a special guest who pops up every now and then, and it says, Di, didn't work well, what happened? And then on from there, are you finished? And my reply, not yet. Put it in the comments section if you can guess who that contributor is. The next comment was from Get Fit, and they wanted to know if I was wearing a helmet.
That's not a helmet. That's a helmet.
The next comment was, where are the patterns? Hello! Okay, so yeah, we replied to that one saying they're on the website. If you ever want the patterns, you ever want to enjoy making them yourselves, quite a few of the projects that we make, we put them on the website for free. Enjoy making them. The next comment is from Rob, and it was to do with a demonstration where we showed how to make letter openers. Clearly Rob was impressed because he stated, yeah, that works about as well as my finger. I got paper cut.
Big question.
The next comment that came in from Jay was to do with, once again, my presentation style. So Jay said, I'm sorry, but I have to say this. That guy that is chatting has got the most annoying voice. Oh, thanks, Jay.
Well, it gets on my nerves too.
I had to put this one in from Stella. It was a rare comment, but it was certainly appreciated. You have such a lovely presentation style. Thanks, Stella.
Well, it irritates me.
Sahu Wooden Arts. Nice, sir. To which I replied, thank you. To which Sahu replied, I'm a subscriber. I'm always watching your videos. Please reply my comments. I just did. Sorry, Sahu.
Well, you can't win them all, can you?
This is by Zhang Bai Wang. Men, you waste too much words at the beginning. Totally wasteful. There we are, fair enough. That's fair enough. So we just said, okay, thanks for your feedback. We'll bear it in mind. To which, in fairness, you replied, sorry for my hush words, but I still really appreciate your videos. Thank you. You're welcome. But this was all too much for Jim, and thank you, Jim, because Jim said, I totally disagree with the other commenter. Your introduction added important context. This was JT's feedback on a video that I did. Bad video. Okay, fair enough. Lots of talk for little substance. There we are. Thank you for the feedback and the encouragement.
I'm glad it was useful.
The next comment is from Ethan, and this is in a technical area. Sanding sealer. Things are getting very technical here. And they're saying it's often misused in the wood industry and no doubt confuses heaps of people. A sanding sealer is applicable for surface leveling and ease the sanding process as an intermediate protective layer, e.g. shellac, below the finishing, e.g. lacquer layer. In the case of this video, the shellac is probably the final finish. It's the only finish. The shellac will also effectively block penetrative oils, and if it works in your case, the shellac is probably diluted below the £1 in a sanding sealer.
It says shellac on the side of the bottle. Are you sure?
Just across. Yeah.
Keep it simple, as long as it does the job.
What part of Ontario, Canada are you from? I'm from Sarnia area. Well, great to hear from you, Norm, but we're from West Wales. I sound Canadian. Jason sends in, hi Nancy, so cool. Right, okay, I don't know who Nancy is, but thanks for the feedback. This next series of comments came from our most popular short, and it came from Benjamin. And Benjamin stated that we made it look like an Irish pretzel, as opposed to the actual knotwork art that we were going for. Have you ever tried an Irish pretzel?
Can't say I have, Dave.
Now this comment is from Arthur on the same video where we made some Celtic jewellery, and hope all is well, Arthur. And this is what Arthur said about it. I just have to be on for all that time and effort. This really turned out to look like... Yeah, I don't think Arthur's a fan.
They're tasty.
They're not the nicest in fairness, no.
Huh?
No. Now this one is from, I'm going to butcher this name, I'm afraid. I'm going to have problems saying it. Fun Shuk Namgale. Please, I have one changing clump trip screw barrel saw. Here we are. I think that's somebody commenting on a type of scroll saw that they got. This next comment is from Stephen. More encouragement again. Hope all is well, Stephen. Please don't make wooden candle holders. Okay, that's a big chunk of our family business gone, but yeah, we take it on board. They're not very dangerous.
Oh, I don't know, Dave. That's stuck in your finger.
Well, Fireman Sam always said as well, you should never leave a candle unattended. Moving on from here, this comment is going to take me a little while to get through, and I'll do my best to make it make sense. So this is from James. Hello James, hope all is well. Didn't finish watching yet, we'll go back. Thank you, the watch time always helps us. But already for a person, brackets usually in their 50s, 60s, 70s plus, screw this in, this, to this, and then buy a $600 machine to cut out a $2 piece of wood, not happening. Most want to open the box, put it together and work. Otherwise, it is work and we are not being paid. Thus, it isn't a hobby, but a job. And I will bet without things like YouTube, most wouldn't go near a scroll saw or even have heard of one.
It's only a bit of fun.
He lost me with all the bolting, not happening for a small machine, overkill. Rather work an extra day a month, put it in a room, let it collect dust, and then sell it again. Not what having a hobby is all about. God bless, brothers and sisters. There we are, James. Yeah, only something we suggest. Bolt the machine down so you get less vibration, makes it easier to cut out. We enjoy scroll sawing and so do lots of people. But there we are. Hope you find a suitable hobby. Que feo, lo quedo. Right, so that's how ugly I hate it. There we are. Yeah, thanks for the encouragement again, Samuel.
You can't win them all.
But yeah, again though, Leo, you're obviously not having any of this. Leo says you're on your own with that opinion, mate.
Well, they've got a point, don't they?
And the next one is from a good friend of ours, the Carver. Hello, hope all is well. And it says, Di, my brother said it sounds like you should be narrating Peppa Pig. Hello, Daddy Pig.
Hello, Pepper and George.
So, other little comments we've had. The successful warrior is the average man with laser-like focus. Bruce Lee. There we are. Thank you, Bruce.
You must be joking.
This was from Nige. Great video, but geez, your voice does my head in.
I can always put my earphones on.
And then my latest and greatest comment that I had to highlight came in from Derek and inspired me to make this video. May I suggest the use of some kind of dust mask? I am 85. Will you be? Hey Derek, come on, that's a bit much, isn't it? Meanwhile, thanks for the great videos. Now, on to the fun bits. We're going to go through all of our thank yous because we've had fantastic support. And the number of positive comments we've had on our videos is unbelievable. I was blown away with the volume of fantastic comments and support that has been given over the years by all of you. So that's the essence of this, is a big thank you to yourselves for the support you've given us. It really is appreciated. So let's go through our list. It's not in any particular order, especially now that it's been through the laundry, but there we are. Let's start. I will start with Aubrey because it's an A, so thank you, Aubrey. We then go on to Brian, the carver. They know your name now. Jerry, Marty, Cindy, Welsh girl in Texas, thank you all. There's Marcia, Ian, Don, Dances with Aardvarks. Now, hopefully as well, some of these names haven't contributed on our channel for a while, but some of you may jog your memories and remember different conversations that we had together. We got Maple Tree Studios, Hoshi, Henry Scrollsaw, Wood Burning Warrior, of course, Phil, William, Conkers Bonkers, Keith, Jeanette, Alan, Michael, Gabby. In Romania, check out Gabby and the Carver's channel. Mark, Peter, Anne, Chris, Clown Hill, George Owell, Raymond, Stephen, Sketchy Pumpkin. We have Eggy Orphan, Pudding Geek, James, Bob, Ken, Janet, Midnight Joker, Billy Jack, and Joe. Just highlighting a few. And I do apologise if I've missed any of you. If you are a regular commenter and I've missed you out, thank you for continuing to support our channel. It really is very much appreciated. And without yourselves, we wouldn't carry on making these videos. Now, to finish off, you may or may not be interested in this, but let's give some of the analytics from the channel. We'll give it all to you straight. We don't pull any punches. So, since we started the channel, we managed to get 1.6 million views. Thanks again to yourselves. We're over 7,000 subscribers, which for a small channel like us is absolutely amazing. 66,000 hours of watch time, and we've earned just over £2,500 from the videos that we make. Also as well, Starbond, CA Glue, we will say a quick thank you to yourselves because we've worked on videos with you as well as continuing to support us with the CA Glue that you send. Check out their products if you're not familiar with them. Great ways that you can get creative with them. So yeah, once again, just to say a big thank you to all. Hope you've enjoyed the live streams, the shorts and the video uploads. All going well, we will continue to share content with you and ideas and techniques and projects that you can have a go at making. Remember to check out those other videos on our channel if you're interested in learning woodwork, wood carving and scroll sawing. And as always, we will be back again soon with more videos.
Your grandmother, my mother, she used to say, if you can't say something nice, don't say anything at all. Did you hear that? Imagine that now, if I didn't have a helmet on, imagine that if it had hit my head.
Could have been a bad injury.
Yeah.